Hello learners, welcome to session 3 of computer programming. So, you guys know we had started a session about basic of computer programming in which we had discussed the basic topic related to programming for beginners. If you have not seen our first two sessions of basic of computer programming, so link is given in the description box or playlist link given at the I button. First, you can check those videos, it helps you a lot. So, I am Anmol from Knowledge Cafe, present here to share knowledge with you guys. So let's start today's video. In today's session, we are going to discuss about operator used in programming. What are their kinds, how they work, and so on. And at last, there is surprise tip for beginners, so don't skip the video. And let's start our video through agenda. So what was today's agenda? Let's see. First, what is an operator? Second, different type of operator is used in programming, like arithmetic operator, relational operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, assignment operator, increment decrement operator, and lastly miscellaneous operators. And lastly, we discuss about operator, their precedence and associativity. So our first topic, what is operator? An operator are the symbol that tells the compiler to perform specific mathematical or logical manipulation. Operator used to perform special operation on specified operands. Operators carried out the actual operation in the program. Operators are categorized into three types according to operands involvement. They are as follows. First, unary operator, operator that use only single operand. Second, binary operators, operator that use double operands. And third, ternary operator, operator that use three operands. Next topic, what are different type of operators? In this tutorial, we will try to cover most of commonly used operator in the programming. First, let's categorize them. First one, arithmetic operator. That means plus, minus, multiplication, division and modulus. Second, relational operator. Greater than, smaller than, greater than equal to, smaller than equal to, not equal to and equal. Third, bitwise operator. Or, and, not. Fourth, logical operators. And, or, not. Fifth, assignment operators. Sixth, increment or decrement operator. And seventh, miscellaneous operator. So first, what is arithmetic operator? The operator that are used to perform only mathematical calculation and tasks. Arithmetical operator perform their action on numbers. The arithmetic operators perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation and modulus operations. Arithmetic operator used in programming. Now let's see what are the arithmetic operator used in programming. As you can see, there are 5 arithmetic operator used in programming. That were addition to add two variables, subtraction to subtract the right hand operand from the left hand operand, multiplication multiplies value on either side of operator, division, and lastly modulus. Division is used to find the quotient and modulus is used to find the remainder. What is relational operator? These operators are used for comparison. They return either true or false based on comparison result. The operator used to specify the relationship between the operands It is used to check the condition in the program that return only true and false. Now let's see what are the different type of relational operator used in programming. As you can see, there are 6 relational operator used in programming, that are equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal, or less than or equal. Now bitwise operator. What is bitwise operator? These operators convert the given integer into binary and then perform the required operation and give back the result in decimal representation. These operators used to manipulate binary value inside the system register. This means that the operator value within the register bit by bit. These operators which operate number bitwise. These operators are used only for one operands. Now what are the bitwise operators used in programming? As you can see, there are mainly 6 bitwise operators used in programming. They are bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, bitwise NOT, left shift and right shift. What are logical operators? These operators take Boolean value as input and return Boolean value as output. That means true or false. These operators are used to concatenate the two conditions or allow to specify more than one relational operator together and returns 1 or 0. Now what are the different logical operators used in programming? They are logical AND, logical OR and logical NOT. Now increment and decrement operators. What are they? These are unary operators. Unary operators are the operators which require only one operand. Increment operator is used to increase the value of a variable either at a time of compilation or after compilation. Same as decrement operator decreases the value of variable at time of compilation or after compilations. Now what are the different type of decrement and increment operators? They are post increment, post decrement and pre increment and pre decrement. Now assignment operators. The assignment operator is used to assign the value into variable, that is right to left. In assignment statement, variable lies left of the constant. As you can see, x is here the variable and 5 is a constant. X lies left to the constant. Now what are the assignment operators used in programming? There are many assignment operators is used in programming. As you can see, first assignment, that is equal to. Second, add an assignment. Third, subtract and assignment. Fourth, multiply and assignment. 5, divide and assignment. 6, modulus and assignment. 7, left shift and assignment. 8, right shift and assignment. 9, bitwise and assignment. 10, bitwise OR and assignment, and 11, bitwise XOR and assignments. Now lastly, miscellaneous operators. These are the conditional operators, mainly work like if-else statements. That means if condition is true, then execute if bar, and if condition is false, then execute else. They are mainly used for ternary operands, that means 3 operands. If condition is true, then A is assigned to X, else B is assigned to X. Now, what are the precedence rules? The precedence rule specifies which operator is evaluated first when two operators with different precedence are adjacent in an expression. For example, x equal to a plus 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 b. This expression can be seen as postfix increment on addition with b or prefix increment on b and addition to A. Such issues are resolved by using precedence rules. Now, associativity rules. The associativity rule specifies which operator is evaluated first when two operators with the same precedence are adjacent in an expression. Third, operator precedence. The operator with the highest precedence appear at the top and those with the lowest at the bottom. In any given expression, the operator with higher precedence will be evaluated first. LR means left to right and RL means right to left. Now let's see. The following table describes the precedence order of the operator mentioned. As you can see, there are many operators used and their associativity rule. First, postfix, that is left to right. Second, unary, that is right to left. Third, multiplicative, that is left to right. Additive, left to right. Shift, left to right. Relational, left to right. Equality, left to right. Bitwise AND, left to right. Bitwise XOR, left to right. Bitwise OR, left to right. Logical AND, left to right. Logical OR, left to right. But conditional, right to left, and assignment operator are used as right to left. So our session is completed and we are happy to inform that you have completed the session of operator used in programming, that is session 3. Hope you like this video. If you like this session, then share with your friends, like this video and comment your question and queries in comment box, and follow us on Facebook page, Instagram page, and there's surprise tip that we are going to discuss about conditional statement in that session 4. So stay tuned to our channel, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon and set notification to all. We will see you in the next one.